Chanel, Gucci, Prada, Louis V bag, Chevy Impala, dripping in diamonds, swimming in dough, A-list life, you know how that go. Chanel, Gucci, Prada, Louis V bag, Chevy Impala, dripping in diamonds, swimming in dough, A-list life, you know how that go.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Just Jocelyn and I'm back. I know, got me a little tan. I was in Africa and I really enjoyed myself. If you guys have not seen that vlog yet, go and watch that vlog. It is a 3-part vlog. I split it up instead of doing like a vlog like long, like a really long vlog. I just decided to split it up. And the best part about it was the cultural experience. The worst part is I lost footage. My camera overheated, y'all, so I lost a lot of footage that I wanted to share with you guys, but it's okay. It's okay. I shared some, what I could, learning experience. There we go. But anyway, so I am back, and as you see, I got the little glow going on. But I'm back today because I was so surprised. I got home and I had a gift that I've been wanting for a long time. Anyways, I got a Telfar bag and I'm gonna unbox it and show it to you guys. I'm super excited about it. If you guys don't know what a Telfar bag is, I'll put the link to the website in the description bar so you guys can check it out. But I'm super excited because this bag is super hard to get. No, it's not super expensive, it's just super hard to get, and I finally got one. I actually got it as a birthday gift, so when I got home it was like right here and I was like, is this mine? And boom, it was mine. But anyways, I'm not gonna keep talking. You guys, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you guys can see when I drop more vlogs. We're gonna get right into this video and I'm gonna show you guys and tell you guys all about the Telfar bag, a Telfar bag, however you say it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Okay, beauty, so I have the box. This is the box. It just comes in a plain box, nothing too crazy, just a regular plain box. I already opened the box, that's how I knew it was a Telfar bag, since it's in a plain box. So now I'm going to show you guys the bag it comes in. This is the bag it comes in. As soon as I opened this, I knew what it was. So I'm going to share it with you guys. So it comes in this plastic Ziploc bag. And then it has the kind that it is. And then it comes in this dust bag. This dust bag is... Louis might need to step that game up. This dust bag on point. Feel like a real thick bag here. But anyways, and then the dust bag has a drawstring like that to it. And then here's the bag. So let's open it. Get all the straps and stuff. Oh, and then it has this little, like, and I don't know if you guys can hear that hitting. That's not no little cheesy tag. That's like a, you know, thick tag here. So then inside the bag it has this Telfar symbol, and then what is this? Oh, I guess like a little salt packet or something. But this is the bag. It got a crease in it, but I guess it's from being folded. But I got the medium blue bag, and like I said, I got this for my birthday, but the person that bought it has been holding on to it for the longest. They told me they have moved it like 3 times, so that it's been in the house with me, so I didn't know where it was. Because when this bag came out, you have to wake up at like early in the morning, log on, already have it in your cart, ready to go, because these bags fly out like that. So the person said they actually had the bag for a while. Now this is the medium one, so the larger one is probably like that big, and then the smaller one is like that. But I love this bag. This is the one I wanted. I wanted this one, and then I wanted the yellow one, but I wanted the blue one over the yellow one, being that this blue can go with everything. And I do like that it has the two long straps on it. You guys can see that, the longer straps that's on it. And then you can just tuck these into the bag. I mean, I guess that's how you do it. And then you'll have the shorter straps on it. And then you can carry it like this. You know what would be dope, y'all? If you could wear this as like, I guess it's too big for a crossbody bag. So I guess that's why you would get the smaller one if you wanted a crossbody bag. But I am super satisfied. This is the back of it. It doesn't say anything on the back. I don't know how I'm gonna get this crease out of it. It's from it being folded like that for so long. I think the way I can probably get the crease out is like put a box inside for like a week and then the crease will leave. But this purse has probably been sitting for like a month or two, because I think the blue one came out like 2 months ago. But yeah, so anyways, I wanted to just share you guys. This vlog is not going to be too long. I just wanted to share you guys my new Telfar bag that I've been wanting. Super excited to get. If you guys don't have one, I'm gonna put the website in the description box. You guys watch, go on their Instagram. I'll put their Instagram in there, and y'all watch for whenever they're gonna release one, so you guys can go and cop one. I'm probably gonna end up getting the yellow one the next time they come out. I'll just probably have to wake up super early in the morning, or I may be already up working out or something, and then just get it, just keep my fingers crossed and get it. But yes, I am super excited for it. I just want to bring it up close so you guys can see it. As you guys can tell, I'm super excited to have this bag. Yes, where am I going with my Telfar bag? Mind your business. I love it. But yes, my new Telfar bag.